Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March the 11th, 2023. We're going to talk about Tesla today real quick because Webbooks analyst Dan Ives, who is a very staunch advocate for Tesla, he's real bullish on the stock, is kind of telling people, that the recent sell-off in Tesla has been overblown and how he's still looking for price to go higher. Now, take a look at the chart in front of you. I did a price prediction in Tesla on the 3rd of March, saying that price was going to go down anyway. Now, I'm here to tell you that price in Tesla could have possibly, and I put that in quotations, could have possibly hit an area of support. Now, it doesn't mean that that's the bottom. It just simply means it's like a placeholder. It's going to rest here for a little bit before the market possibly could go lower. But first, let's look at this article from Forbes. You guys can see here it is. Tesla stock tanks after disjointed investor day draws mixed reviews. See, people were expecting Tesla stock to go up following information that Elon was going to relinquish at this investor day, which it didn't happen. It didn't have any fanfare. And they're trying to insinuate that this is the reason why Tesla's price is going down. That's not the reason. The reason price moves in any stock is because people are selling versus people are buying. That's it. Or there's no one willing to buy at certain prices, so the market inevitably will continue to go down until it finds the next buyer. So look at this highlighted portion of the article though, right here. Webbooks analyst Dan Ives left Tesla's investor event far more bullish. Writing Thursday, the investor event made it crystal clear just how far ahead Tesla is ahead of the rest of the auto industry when it comes to producing and scaling EVs. Ives added, the stage is set now for Tesla to move forward on a model costing less than $30,000, predicting the cheaper car will be announced this year and hit the road in late 2024. So he's anticipating that Tesla's going to come out with a cheaper vehicle, EV vehicle, that's going to induce more competition, more demand for Tesla. I get it. It's going to be announced this year. So here it is, March. We have a couple more months before 2024 rolls in. We'll see. So he's trying to say that the recent move after Tesla Investor Day down, it's not reasonable. It shouldn't have happened because according to him, the stage is set, remember, for Elon to announce a $30,000 price tag EV vehicle. Wow. What do you think? Is he right? Is he wrong? Where would you find the answer? How would you make the determination that he's right or that he's wrong? Well, you want to go ahead and make sure you pay attention to the charts, the price action. It'll tell you. Now, we are at a probable area of support right now in Tesla. And I want to show you how I know. Take a look at this. Back here in November 2022, we've seen a couple of trading days that the market in Tesla has bounced as support, then all the way back here. And if history is a repeater, the idea would be for Tesla to bounce right now, right? That would be the idea. Now, we are in a totally different time though. What happened then, what people traded off of then is not going to be the same today. So we're not going to really be fixated on paying attention that this is in fact the bottom, because it's not. Current information, people ideas, people thinking processes has changed since November to today. And the same individual who came and bought in November, even here in February, they may not buy again in March. Keep that in your mind. Now, I see it though. Look at Tesla on the 2-day. You can even see it better that this could be a logical area of support in the market in Tesla. Okay, I get it. So would you want to come in and take some of this profit off the table? Of course. That is the name of the game, is to come in and profit and win against everyone else in the market. Now, I know a lot of people say that algorithms are out there. Hedge funds has, very smart individuals controlling their bots and they're able to do high frequency trading, there's no way that we can actually compete against them. How could that be? I'm showing you right now how you can compete against them, because AI robots, trading bots, even the smarter individuals cannot predict where prices are going to go outside of what we have in terms of history. The chart is historic, and it tells you precisely what everyone else has done. I don't think people understand what they're looking at when they see price charts. We're seeing all of the algorithmic trading. We're seeing all of the hedge funds. We're seeing even Dan Ives and his positions in Tesla. We're seeing everything all in one place. And it tells us how the overall market is thinking. So why would you need to have anything else? You don't. That's how we're able to predict these ideas and forecasts. It's because we're seeing what everyone else is doing. If everyone else is selling, then why would you want to be a buyer? If the majority of the market is buying, then why would you want to be a seller? There's so much information that can be harnessed from the charts. So now, let's look at this on the weekly chart first, because from a probabilistic basis, we're trying to understand what is the likelihood of us looking at Tesla hold $173 or where it is now. What are the probabilities? Is it great or is it minimal? So if I were to look at this on a weekly chart, right, and we all can see this weekly bar right there. Okay, I'm zooming in so you all can see it. Do you think this is bullish? Do you think buyers are here in the market at Tesla right now? To me, I don't think so. Now, it doesn't mean that we may get a couple of trading days that price is going to lift in Tesla. Because like I said, we've already seen it happen before. But do you think it's going to hold? Do you think this is the bottom? From a weekly chart, it's not showing me that. Okay. What about 2 weeks? This is the completed price action of Tesla for 2 weeks. Does this look bullish? To me, it doesn't. Does it look like the market's going to hold $170 here? To me, it doesn't. 5 weeks. This is the last completed 5-weekly price bar in Tesla. Okay, what do you think? Are we going to hold $170, or are we going to see price go down to our ultimate TP price on our prediction? Could we even see market in Tesla run down to 155, 160? One thing I can tell you is that the last 10 weeks in Tesla, we've definitely seen market participation increase. Look at these volume bars down here at the bottom. We haven't seen this much activity come into the market in Tesla ever since 2020. Something is going on. Dan Ives, Wedbush, all these other hedge funds and banking institutions who is trading and investing in Tesla, they definitely came to life here the last 10 weeks. We'll see what's going to go on. To me, I still think price in Tesla is a little bit more weaker than it is bullish. Okay. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. I'm still going to look for the market in Tesla to go down. But as always, if you see yourself in profit, there's nothing wrong with taking something off the table, because that's the name of the game. We're here to make money, period. We're not here to fall in love with the stock because the stock cannot love us back. We're not here to fall in love with Elon because Elon cannot love us back. He does not even know who you are. So why are you going to be a fanboy of his? You just want to utilize his services to make you money. So look, use his stock. Use however he tweets, whatever he says, to your benefit, because he's using your money for his. Join me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want to learn more how I'm able to create these price predictions and accurately predict where price is going to go without the confusion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.